Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the appearance in the Sololearn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the settings section, click on the appearance button. And as you can see, you can set the theme to automatic. But if you get it out, then you can set it to light and dark. And what's a really cool feature as well is that you can also set the icons theme. So you can also set it to light, but you can set it to dark. And I set both of them to dark, so but you can choose whichever you prefer. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.